Dull skin, deepening wrinkles, and an aging jawline seem inevitable as you get older. But what if you had the power to renew your skin's beauty and start seeing results in less than 5 minutes? You can with CellProof, exclusively from Modere. CellProof Serum is a groundbreaking hyaluronic acid and collagen peptide treatment backed by collagen HA matrix technology, and it's completely changing the face of anti-aging everywhere. That's because its patented super ingredient, BioCell Collagen CG, is shown to help defy the visible signs of aging, delivering rapid results. BioCell Collagen CG is so effective, it was even awarded Best Collagen Peptide in Personal Care by Frost & Sullivan. The results speak for themselves. Beginning in our 20s, natural compounds that are critical to skin firmness, hydration, and smoothness decrease. This affects the skin's hydration and collagen network. Your skin becomes drier, wrinkles are more common, and sagging begins to occur. What makes Modere CellProof Serum so incredible is that it delivers both collagen and HA, which are each crucial components to maintain your skin's healthy and vibrant appearance. In an initial product trial, 88% of volunteers who first tested CellProof Serum noticed a tightening effect in their skin in just 5 minutes. And after 4 weeks, 100% said they would recommend it to a friend. In a new trial with CellProof Serum, 100% of participants experienced improvements in hydration, and 80% of users saw improved skin tone, while between 85 and 92% of users continued to demonstrate an improved appearance in texture, density, and exfoliation. There are plenty of expensive skincare products that make dramatic promises, but very few are backed by professionals, patents, awards, and the evidence behind Modere CellProof Serum. Paired with CellProof Infusion Mask and CellProof Moisturizer, CellProof Serum is the star of the award-winning CellProof Essentials Collection, winner of the 2020 Beauty Shortlist Award for Green, Eco-Friendly, and Ethical Beauty. CellProof combines collagen HA matrix technology with science-backed natural extracts in an extraordinary skin-renewing treatment line. Now it's your turn. Dull skin, wrinkles, and an aging jawline don't have to be inevitable as you get older, because you have the power to renew your skin's beauty with a complete line of advanced cell-proof products from Modere. Start seeing results in less than 5 minutes and see the proof for yourself.